Stop guessing on why your new ROG Ally has a black screen on startup. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they assume your screen is broken. But before we enter the hardware resets, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck again. We are going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so it is impossible for you to fail this fix. Rexish is the authority on these launch day bugs because we know how the Ally's initial memory training can look like a total system failure. You are staring at a dark screen with the fan spinning and the RGB lights on, feeling like you got a lemon, but the solution is actually a matter of patience and power. Listen closely. The secret trick other creators missed is that the ROG Ally performs a massive memory training cycle on its first few boots or after BIOS update, which can leave the screen black for up to 10 full minutes. To fix this right now, plug in your official 65-watt charger and hold the power button for a full 40 seconds to perform an embedded control reset. Once the light on top blinks, press power once and then put the device down for 10 minutes without touching any buttons. The logic here is that the system is calibrating the RAM timings, and if you interrupt it, you brick the boot sequence. If it still won't show a picture, use the display reset shortcut by holding both volume buttons and the power button simultaneously for 15 seconds to force the graphics driver to restart. Your ROG Ally will now flicker and finally show the Republic of Gamers logo as it completes the setup. If you want the solution for the next Windows 11 setup, hang up comment below right now.